Hello, my name is Randall Snell, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to write your very first HTML program. I chose HTML because its uses vary from the World Wide Web to personal websites such as MySpace and Facebook. And let's begin. You want to start by opening up your HTML editor, and I've chosen Notepad. You can use uh, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Notepad, and there's several other HTML editors that are standalone programs. And let's begin with your opening HTML tag, a greater than symbol, the letters HTML, and a less than symbol to close that. Then a greater than symbol, the word head, and a less than symbol to follow. Hit enter, and then tab once, because here you're going to use the title tag, a greater than symbol, the word title, and then a less than symbol, and immediately following I am going to put a title for the page in, and that is going to be Hello World with an exclamation point, and then to close it, a greater than symbol, a forward slash, and the word title. That tells the program that that's the end of your title section. And then to close the head out, a greater than symbol, a forward slash, the word head, and a less than symbol. Hit enter, and we're going to begin the actual body of the program. A greater than symbol, the word body, and then a less than symbol. Hit enter, and tab once to set this part of the code off from the other. And here we're going to use the H tag. H indicates the size of the font. You can use H1 all the way up to H6. I am going to use H2 today to make it a little bit bigger. And you close it with the less than symbol, and I'm going to type the word my title as an example of what the text can go between there. And to close it, you make sure that you use the same number that you used in the opening H tag. And here I'm going to do H2, and then a less than symbol to close that. Hit enter, tab again, and we're going to begin the paragraph break. You do this by opening up with a greater than symbol, the letter P, then a less than symbol, and you follow that up. Today we're going to create a hyperlink, so you follow that up with a greater than symbol, the letter A, and then H, R, E, F, an equal sign, and a quotation mark. The quotation marks are very important when creating a hyperlink. You always want to make sure that you use quotation marks, or else the hyperlink will not work. And we're going to just use Google, for example. So you type http semicolon forward slash www.google.com, close the quotation marks and close with the less than symbol, and the text that you put immediately following will be blue if you created a hyperlink properly, and you can use any text you want. Like, for example, I can type my dog loves people, and as long as I follow it up with a greater than symbol, a slash, and an A, and then a less than symbol, that text should become blue, and upon clicking should take me to Google. And as an alternate text, I'm going to put welcome to the World Wide Web, exclamation point. And we're going to close up the paragraph with a greater than symbol, a forward slash, the letter P, and a less than symbol. Hit enter, and we're going to close the body, which indicates that this is the end of the programming body for the HTML program. And we're going to close the HTML program with a greater than symbol, HTML, and a less than symbol, which indicates the ultimate end of the program. And if we did this properly, we can go up to File, click on File, Save As, and then you can name it anything you want, but I'm going to name this simpleweb.html. You go down below to the Save As type, click on the box, and a drop-down list will appear. Point to all files, click on that, and you click Save. And if we did this properly, we can go locate the file, open it up, highlight it, right-click, scroll down to Open With, click on Internet Explorer, and if we did it properly, our program should appear just like this. Scroll over to the blue words, and if we wrote the hyperlink properly, it should take us to google.com, which it did. Very good. You've just written your very first HTML program, and you can do a little bit more research and get more and more advanced, but this is just a simple beginner program. Thank you.